Dear students of class 9th, in this video we'll revise physical features of India and the topic what we will revise today is the Peninsular Plateau. This plateau is roughly triangular in shape. It has an undulating terrain with average height of about 600 meters above the mean sea level. Eastern and the Western Ghats form the two sides and join to form southward pointing vertex of the triangle, and Vindhya Range and the Satpura Range form the third side. This plateau lies to the south of the Great Northern Plain of India, and it covers nearly half of the area of India, and it is triangular in shape with a broad base in the north and a narrow apex in the south. The Peninsular Plateau is made up of ancient igneous and metamorphic rock. It is the oldest part of the Indian subcontinent. The plateau has an undulating surface with gentle slopes. This plateau is divided by the Narmada River into two parts, the Central Highland and the Deccan Plateau. So in the map you can see here, this is the river Narmada, and this river has divided the Peninsular Plateau into two parts, the Central Highland in the north and the Deccan Plateau in the south. The boundary between these two units is formed by the Vindhya Range. Now we'll discuss about the Central Highland. Just I told you that this part lies to the north of the Narmada River. So this complete part is constituting the Central Highland. The part of the Peninsular Plateau lying to the north of the Narmada River, covering a major area of the Malwa Plateau, is known as the Central Highland. It is bounded by the Aravalli Hill in the northwest and the Vindhya Range in the south. Aravalli Range is one of the oldest mountain ranges of the world. In the east, the Malwa Plateau extends up to the Chota Nagpur Plateau. The eastward extension of this plateau are locally known as the Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand. The Malwa Plateau is drained by the rivers like Chambal, Sindh, Son and the Damodar. Now we'll discuss about the Deccan Plateau. So with regard to the Deccan Plateau, it lies to the south of the Narmada River. So this part of the plateau extends to the south of the Vindhya Range, and the western edge of the Deccan Plateau is called Western Ghat. The highest peak of the peninsular region, Anaimudi, is situated in the state of Kerala. It is the highest peak of the plateau. To the south of the Satpura Range flows the Tapi. Like Narmada, this river also flows into the Arabian Sea. Both Narmada and Tapi do not form any delta. The other major rivers of the Deccan Plateau including the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri, flow into the Bay of Bengal. All these rivers make their deltas near the coast. The Godavari is the longest among the rivers of the Deccan Plateau. One of the distinct features of the Peninsular Plateau is the black soil area known as Deccan Trap. So this northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau is constituting the Deccan Trap area. This is of volcanic origin, hence the rocks are igneous. Actually, these rocks have denuded over time and are responsible for the formation of black soil. And with regard to the Arable Hills, lie on the western and the northwestern margin of the Peninsular Plateau, and these are highly eroded hills and are found as broken hills. They extend from Gujarat to Delhi in southwest to northeast directions. So these are all about this topic, and next topic we will revise.